Mga marites ni Chongde.
It was reported on March 22nd, Korean Standard Time, that Kim Soo-yeon's side is considering the possibility of suing the late Kim Soo-yeon's family. The law firm representing Kim Soo-yeon commented, "We are currently considering legal measures over the false accusations that Kim Soo-yeon dated a minor." The representative added, both Kim So-yeon and gold medalist are mourning the loss of the late Kim Se-ron. Thus far, they have refrained from pursuing legal measures out of respect for the bereaved family members. However, the family continued to threaten Kim So-yeon and even went as far as to publicize a private photo of Kim So-yeon without his consent. So, we had no choice but to move forward with legal action. Back in March 20, gold medalists filed criminal complaint against the YouTube channel Hoverlaw, the family of Kim Se-ron, and an individual who referred herself as Kim Se-ron's aunt for sharing some photos of Kim Soo-yeon without his consent. On the other hand, the late Kim Se-ron's family members have filed defamation against the YouTuber Lee Jin-ho for spreading false rumors about the actress before her death. They also said that they may consider taking additional legal measures against actor Kim Soo-yeon.